Hi dear children, welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will learn about Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a mathematical discipline. Discipline means formula. It is used for designing a digital circuit in digital computers. It describes the relationship between input and output. This Boolean algebra is proposed by George Boole. That's why it got the name Boolean algebra. Next topic is binary valued quantity. Here three statements are there. 8 minus 10 equal to 10. Is this answer correct? Next one, Chennai is capital of India. Third one, what did I say yesterday? Here, first two statements we can answer in yes or no. Then, but third one we cannot say like that. This type of statement we are seeing logical statement or truth function. Understand? The statement's answer is contained yes or no. That is the logical statement or truth function. This statement written the answer true or false. So that value is called truth values. The truth values are 1 and 0. This 1 represents true, then 0 represents false. Did you get? These truth values are stored in a variable is called logical variable or binary valued variable or Boolean variable. Did you understand? These truth values are stored in a variable. That variable is called logical variable or binary valued variable or Boolean variable. Next topic is logical operations. Boolean algebra make use of values and operations. The logical operations are and, or, not. These operations are represented by symbols. And is represented dot symbol, or is representing plus symbol, not is represented by over bar or apostrophe. These operators are called logical operators. That means and or not is called logical operators. First logical operator is AND operator. It represents the operator dot operator. It is same as the mathematical multiplication. It has two or more input and only one output. Understand? Here truth table is here A and B are the two inputs. Y is the output. Here first time A is 0, B is 0. Then what is the output? 0. How it is? It is same as the mathematical multiplication. 0 into 0, answer is 0. Is it? Then here next input 0 and 1. 0 into 1. What is answer? 0. Next one is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. What is answer? 0. 1 into 0, 0. Next input is 1 and 1. What is answer? 1 into 1, 1. That is the truth table of AND operator. Did you get? Then next this expression can be written as y is equal to a into b, because of dot operator is represent the AND operator. Understand? Next operator is OR operator. It uses the sign plus sign. It is same as the addition. It has two or more inputs and only one output. See here, this is the truth table. Here A and B are the input. Okay, then Y is the output. How it is working, we will see. Here A is 0, B also 0. Just as the same as the addition. So 0 plus 0, what is the answer? You will get 0. Then next, A is 0, B is 1. Add, that time we will get 1. That is the output. 1 is the output. Next input is A is 1. Next B is 0. What is output? 1 is the output. 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay. Expression Y is equal to A plus B. Plus is represent the OR operator. Next operator is NOT operator. NOT operator has only one input and only one output. Other operators and OR operator has two or more input but only one output. Here NOT operator has only one input and only one output. Here output is always opposite of the input. Understand? Whatever things we are giving input, just opposite to that is output. Here truth table is A is input, Y is output. Here only one input. Here when we are giving 0, we will get the output is 1. When we are giving input is 1, output is 0. Did you get it? Just opposite. Expression is Y is equal to A over bar. Otherwise we can write not A. Otherwise we can write A dash. Understand? Y is equal to not A. Otherwise we can write Y is equal to A dash. Next one is NAND operator. NAND operator is combination of NOT and operator. This result will be always opposite of the AND operator. Expression we can write Y is equal to A into B. Here A into B represent the AND operator, then over bar is represent the NOT operator. Did you get it? Its truth table is here we are taking here also in this operator also we can take two or more input and only one output. Here A and B are the input, Y is the output. Here first input is 0 and 0. When we are multiplying this time, we will get the answer is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. So output is 1. Did you get? The next 0 into 1. Answer is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. That is the output. 1 is the output. Next 1 into 0. 0. Opposite of this 0 is 1. That is the output. Here 1 into 1, 1. Opposite of 1 is 0. Did you get the answer? The next one is NOR operator. NOR operator is combination of NOT and OR operator. It is opposite of OR operator. Expression we can write as Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. A plus B represent the OR operator. Then this over bar represent the NOT operator. That's why we are saying combination of NOT and OR operator. The truth table. This NOR operator also has two or more inputs and it produce only one output. In this truth table, A and B are the two input, Y is the output. Here 0 NOR 0. That time we will get the answer is 1. How we can get the answer? 0 plus 0 is 0. Opposite of 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Opposite of 1 is 0. Then next 1 and 0 is answer is 1. Then opposite of 1 is 0. That is the output. Here 1 plus 1 is here 1. Opposite of 1 is 0. That is the output of this operator. Next topic is basic logic gates. These basic logic gates are basic electronic circuit. This electronic circuit operate on two or more input signal and produce a single output signal. It has three fundamental gates. They are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Other gates also they are NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Here these two gates, NAND gate and NOR gate, also called universal gate because of these gates are derived from the fundamental gates. Did you get? NAND and NOR gate is called universal gate because of these gates are derived from this fundamental gate. Did you get? First gate is AND gate. AND gate is same as the AND operator. Okay. This AND gate has input two or more signals and produce only one output signal. Here logical symbol is just like a D symbol. Draw D like symbol, then give the two inputs. Now I am giving two inputs. We can give more inputs. A and B are the two inputs. It produces the output Y. Y is equal to A into B. Understand? A into B. This dot operator represents the AND operator. The truth table is already we studied. A and B is 0 and 0. We will get the answer 0. 0 and 1. We will get the output 0. 1 and 0. We will get the output 0. 1 and 1. We will get the output 1. Its expression we studied. Y is equal to A into B. Otherwise we can write A and B. Otherwise we can write A, B. Is it? Next gate is OR gate. It is same as the OR operator. Already we studied. Then it uses the symbol 3 arc. First arc, then second arc, then third arc. Here this OR gate also contain 2 or more signal, input signal, only one output signal. Here I am taking 2 input signals, A and B. Output signal is only one output signal. So output what we will get? Y is equal to A plus B. Understand? This expression we can write as Y is equal to A plus B. Otherwise we can write A or B. OR gate truth table is A and B are the two inputs. Y is the output. Here first inputs are A or 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 or 1 is 1. Next one is NOT gate. NOT gate has only one input and only one output. This also same as the logical NOT operator. Its symbol is inverted triangle and one bubble. This is, it has only one input and only one output. Here I am taking as A input, Y is the output. So what is output? We will get Y is equal to A over bar. Understand? We can write the expression also Y is equal to A bar. Then truth table is, here A is the input, Y is the output. Whatever things we are giving the input, just opposite that. Here 0 is the input, output is 1. 1 is the input, 0 is the output. Next one is NAND gate. NAND gate is combination of NOT and AND gate. It is similar to logical NAND operator. Its symbol is just like, first you have to draw the AND operator. AND operator represent the D like symbol. This NOT operator we are representing one bubble here. This bubble is represented NOT. Understand? Here I am taking 2 inputs. A and B are the 2 input. What is the output we will get? Y is equal to, first AND A into B. This represent the AND gate. Then this NOT gate is represent the over bar. So Y is equal to A into B the whole bar. Did you get? Then here truth table. A and B are the 2 input. Y is the output. See here, 0 NAND 0 is output is 1. 0 NAND 1 is 1. 1 NAND 0 is 1. 1 NAND 1 is 0. Then next gate is NOR gate. It is same as the logical NOR operator. This is also combination of NOR gate and OR gate. NOR gate symbol is, already we know OR gate symbol, that is 3 arc. That is 3 arc. Then we have to represent the NOT gate. So you have to draw bubble in the back side. There are 2 inputs. A and B are the 2 inputs. Then Y is the output. Y is equal to, then A plus B the whole bar. A plus B represent the OR gate. Whole bar represent the NOT gate. Its truth table is, here A and B are the 2 input. Y is the output. Here 0 nor 0 is 1. 0 nor 1 is 0. 1 nor 0 is 0. 1 nor 1 is 0. Next gate is XOR gate. This is known as exclusive OR gate. It used the symbol encircled plus. This is the encircled plus. Here it works on when the both inputs are same. When the both inputs are same, output is false. It uses the logical symbol just like a OR. Just like a OR gate. OR gate we drawn 3 arc. 1, 2, 3. Here this XOR need one more arc in front of it. This fourth arc. Understand? Then we have two inputs. A and B are the two inputs. Then Y is the output. Output how we can write? Y is equal to A encircled plus B. Then it expression also we can write y is equal to A encircled plus B. XOR gate truth table is already we said when both inputs are same, output is false. False represent 0, input, true represent 1. Here both inputs are same, so output is false. Understand? Both inputs are different, output is true. Both inputs are different, the output is true. Both inputs are same, output is false. Did you get? Next one is XNOR gate. It is also called exclusive NOR gate. It uses the operator included dot. This operator is included dot. This XNOR gate is combination of XOR gate and NOT gate. Its logical symbol is just like a XNOR gate followed by one NOT gate. Then first draw 3 arc. Then next draw 4th arc. Then next back side one bubble. Then here two inputs. A and B are the two input. Y is the output. Output we will get Y is equal to A exclusive dot B. Here truth table. Here A and B are the two inputs. Y is the output. Here how we will get the output? Just opposite of XOR gate. XOR gate output is false when the both inputs are same. Here when the both inputs are different, the output is false. Otherwise output is true. See here both inputs are same, output is true. Both inputs are different, output is false. Both inputs are different, output is false. Both inputs are same, output is true. Next one is theorem of Boolean algebra. First theorem is identity theorem. Here we know that ordinary mathematics only. Think that A plus 0 we will get the answer A. A into 1 we will get the answer A. That is the identity. Then next complement theorem. Here A plus A bar equal to 1. Here suppose we are taking A equal to 0. Then apply in this equation. A is 0. Then A bar means 0 bar. 0 bar means 1. 0 plus 1 we will get the answer 1. That is the answer. Did you get? Next A into A bar is 0. For that now I am taking A equal to 0. Here A is 0. A into that is 0 into A bar is 1. 0 into 1. What is the answer we will get? 0. That is the thing. Okay. Then next commutative law. A plus B equal to B plus A. In the mathematics itself we are studying. Is it? A into B equal to B into A. Next associative law. This is also we studied in the mathematics. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B, B plus C. A plus B, B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Same way multiplication. A into B into C, A into B into C. Then next distributive law. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. A plus B into C equal to a plus b into a plus c. In the mathematics we studied this one. Next one is null element. A plus 1 is equal to 1. That means see here a equal to 0 we are taking. 0 plus 1. What is the answer? We will get 1. If we are taking a is 1, then also we will get the answer 1. 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 1. Understand? Then next, a into 0 equal to 0. Already we studied in the mathematics, any number into 0, that total is 0 only. That is the thing. Then next, involvation. A double bar equal to a. See here, example, a equal to 0 I am taking. A bar, what is the a bar? A bar is 1. A double bar, a bar is 1, a double bar is what? 0. That 0 is this a. That's why a double bar equal to a. Did you get? Then next, idempotence law. A plus a equal to a. How it is? See here, a equal to 0. Then 0 plus 0 equal to 0. That 0 is a. Understand? Then suppose a is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That 1 is a. Understand? That's why a plus a equal to a. Next, a into a equal to a. That also same. Next, if we are taking a is 1, then 1 into 1 equal to 1. That 1 is a. That's why a into a is a. Then next one is absorption law. A plus a into b equal to a. A into a plus b equal to a. Then third distributive law, a plus a bar into b equal to a plus b. Next, last one is De Morgan's law. That is important law. Then in the 10th standard also we studied in the De Morgan's law, in the Venn diagram. Is it? Same thing only. Here a plus b the whole bar equal to a bar into b bar. Understand? Here plus is there, here it will become dot. Then this here whole bar, it is bar is separately. That is the difference. This is the De Morgan's first law. Then second law is a into b the whole bar equal to a bar into a bar plus b bar. In the mathematics we studied a union b the whole dash equal to a intersection a dash intersection b dash. Then next, a intersection b the whole dash equal to a dash union b dash. Is it studied? That same thing only here. Instead of dash we are using the bar. Instead of union we are using the plus symbol. In an intersection we are using the dot symbol. That is the thing. Okay, thank you dear children.